everyone, welcome to my channel. So often I get requests for a tutorial of how I wear my hijab every day. So in my tutorial today I'm going to show you this. If you are interested, please continue watching. You will need four things. Number one, some hijab pin like this one. Then some safety pins like this one. And a hijab band. You can either wear them diagonally covering each of your ear like I did, or you can just wear a single one. And of course a hijab. The hijab should be this much long in length. So for this hijab, which is quite wide on the sides, we'll take the two ends on the sides and wrap it on our face like this first, and then we'll take a pin and pin it here. Okay, and then again we will take these two ends and pin them behind. Some hijab is not very wide in sides, like this one I have here. So for this one, I will wrap it around my face like this, and I will pin it on the top of my head on two sides. Another two here, another two is here. Take your hijab from here and put it like this. Now take another pin and pin it on top of your head and on the sides. Now take this end. So we're done with hijab pins. Now all we need is safety pins like this one. So I will try to pin the hijab on top of my shoulder. This on both sides. Now this end was separate from this one, so I will take another safety pin and join both of these with this safety pin. And finally, take two safety pins and pin them downward on both sides. So this is my everyday hijab routine. As you can see, it has really wide chest coverage on the downside, and also it is a very good style for round face. And another thing is with this hijab tutorial, you can wear earrings. You have to just put the knee of your earrings like this. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you do, please like the video, share it to your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye.